What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based open-source distributed software platform. It has a programming language called Solidity and its own native coinage called Ether. Blockchain is a distributed ledger system that maintains an unalterable collection of records. The primary rival to Bitcoin is Ethereum. Using Ethereum, programmers may create decentralized apps. Tokens called Ether are created by miners and may be exchanged for money or used to pay for services on the Ethereum network. Smart contracts, a sort of electronic contract, are also supported by the platform. Ethereum was initially mentioned by cryptocurrency researcher Vitalik Buterin in a 2013 proposal that proposed the inclusion of a scripting language for programming to Bitcoin. On July 30, 2015, the Ethereum project went live thanks to an online crowd sale, a kind of crowdfunding in which cryptocurrency tokens are issued. How does Ethereum work? The blockchain network is used by Ethereum. Ethereum has systems in place to recognize when an agreement is broken. Ethereum employed the proof-of-work approach to execute and validate transactions with the cryptocurrency utilizing the Ethereum mainnet blockchain from the time of its establishment in July 2015 until September 15, 2022. The Ethereum community successfully completed the merge on May 15, 2022, by switching to a proof-of-stake consensus process that runs on the Beacon chain. The advantages of switching to proof-of-stake for Ethereum and its users include possibly quicker transaction times while consuming less energy overall to process and validate transactions. A network built on the blockchain is Ethereum. Similar to blockchain, it has a wide range of applications, including some financial ones. Ethereum's native coin is called Ether. With the help of the Ethereum platform, it is purchased and sold. One of the various cryptocurrencies that may be exchanged utilizing the Ethereum network is this one. Additionally, when miners contribute blocks to a blockchain, they are rewarded with it. The two projects listed below are based on Ethereum. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, while Ethereum comes in second. Both the network and the associated coin are referred to as Ethereum and Ether, respectively. The following are some further distinctions between the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks. In 2015, Ethereum was the next. Bitcoin only transacts in digital currencies, but Ethereum provides a variety of trading options, including smart contracts. Unlike Bitcoin network transactions, which cannot be attached with executable code, Ethereum transactions may. While Bitcoin uses secure hash algorithm 256 encryption, Ethereum uses Ethish. Advantages of Ethereum. Due to the decentralized nature of Ethereum, there is no influence from outside cloud service providers. Ethereum is decentralized, so if a node goes down, there is no downtime. To utilize an Ethereum application, they don't have to input their personal information. Ethereum is made to be impossible to hack, much like any other decentralized blockchain-based network. Because Ethereum is a permissionless blockchain, anybody may take part. Stronger contracts are guaranteed by the hard-coded smart contracts that are the cornerstone of commerce and agreement on Ethereum. A freelancer who receives work through a DApp on Ethereum, for instance, may sign a smart contract with the hard-coded rule, X remuneration will be delivered when Y job is finished. Contrary to typical contracts, which call for interpretation and execution, this one does not. There are two issues with the Ethereum platform. The POW consensus technique is being used by Ethereum as a resource-intensive method of ensuring that all network nodes concur on the status of all data stored on the blockchain. Every blockchain node stores every smart contract, and each node concurrently performs every smart contract's calculations. POS uses less energy than a POW model, but transactions still require energy to be validated and carried out. When Ethereum switched from a POW consensus method to a POS consensus mechanism on September 1, the issues with resource use and security were substantially resolved. By granting greater mining or block validation power to miners with more coins, POS is anticipated to increase the Ethereum blockchain's energy efficiency. Fewer nodes are required to perform more work as a consequence. 2. Ethereum. In 2022, the Ethereum network underwent a significant update known as Ethereum 2.0, commonly referred to as ETH 2.0 or Serenity. The objective is to improve the network's transaction throughput from 15 to tens of thousands of transactions per second. By distributing workloads across several parallel blockchains that share a single consensus POS blockchain, it will accomplish this. This resulted in the creation of the POS blockchain, which serves as the heart of Ethereum 2.0. This will complete the switch from POW to POS by fusing the Beacon chain with the original Ethereum mainnet network. With Ethereum 1.0 projected to become one of the shards of Ethereum 2.0, this will distribute the workload of the network among 64 new networks. Bitcoin Classic. The original Ethereum blockchain is known as Ethereum Classic. An online crowd sale, often known as a kind of crowdsourcing, was used in 2016 to collect a record $150 million for a set of smart contracts on a platform called the DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. The crypto community decided to split the network as a consequence and take back the money that had been stolen. The following are significant dates in the development of Ethereum. In Vitalik Buterin's white paper from late 2013, Ethereum was originally introduced with the intention of creating decentralized apps. The Genesis block of Ethereum was produced, signaling the start of the platform. When it comes to market capitalization, Ethereum came in second place to Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency switched from a POW consensus strategy to a POS consensus model with the merge, moving to Ethereum 2.0.